How to change address in Credit Karma. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change your address from your personal info in Credit Karma account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open your Google application in your device, and in the search bar you simply need to type Credit Karma. After that, click on the first website as that is the official website of Credit Karma. Once you open it, you will be directed toward the home page of this website. Now, firstly, you need to choose the option of login. Once you click on login, you need to provide your email and password for your Credit Karma account. After you are done logging into your account, simply navigate to your account's info and go to setting. Then after, you need to click on your address and then edit option. Now you need to provide your new address and click on save. So that is how easily you can change your address in Credit Karma account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.